Hello, good day. We are Group Exort, and the members of Group Exort is Marc, Maverick, CAGNE, and me, Kevin GABREZ. And this is our task performance in computer programming 2. And our topic is school. And in this Java file source code, we created a school management system program in which the user is as if she is the student or teacher, and then shows the necessary details and information needed. And let's begin. Now we import the scanner, exception, rejects, and random. And after that, now we put the enumeration, and the constant's name is days, and the values of days is weeks from Monday to Sunday. And now we create the public class school sample. And we put the enumeration again, and the constant's name is subjects, and the value of subjects is math, MAPE, English, Science, Araling Panlipunan, and Filipino. And now we create the private static void method to display the tuition balance of the students. And we put the data types here, double, and the variable is balance. Public class static void main. And now we create the two doubles, and the variable are tuition balance and full tuition. And now we create the scanner. Put here the printing system, print, and here printing the welcome statement of the program. And now we put the option here, the 1 and 2 if the student or a teacher. And the data types char, and the variable is num1. And now we create the while loop. While loop if the user input is not equal to 1 or 2, and repeats the prompt. Now we print the invalid input, and the enter 1 for the student or 2 if teacher if the user input invalid. This is where my part in coding ends, and you will see me again in the terminal or console for the output. And now Maverick CAGNE will continue.
Hi, I'm Ordiv, CAGNE, and I will continue the code of Kevin GABREZ, that my group mates. So I'm ready code, and I will copy paste it here and explain it because it takes a lot of time for me to type this program, because it takes a lot of time because this continuous if else only. So and mathematics random. So I will copy paste it. So you see in the first program, I use switch and num1 for the condition if she enter 1 for student. If she enter 1, the system will ask the user or student to enter their name, such as an email address, student ID, and payment amount. It then calculates the balance based on the full tuition and the amount paid. So you see here, she entered name and the print name and the student email. So this is the example of student email. The condition is, the condition is in the red X have 5 characters and at exort.edu If if the student cannot meet this condition, the program will be closed. If the pattern or match the condition of the email address, it will continue here in the matches. So after that, the program display a list subject and asks the user to input number representing of days of the week. Depending on the input, it provides the user with a schedule for the day, including the subject and their corresponding time slot. If the input is not within the range of 1 to 7, it displays an error message. So you see, after that, the user will enter their student ID and their payment for the tuition balance, and then they will minus or subtract the full tuition to the student balance. So this is will print the name and the student ID and the tuition balance. So we go on to the try and catch. So this is the explanation I explained a while ago. So list of subject, for list of subject to, so here we use enum for the here for the subject and the days. Let's go on to the list of subject. List of subject, they will print the enum, the list of subject. So next is the daily schedule of the student. So if I enter 1, the schedule of the Monday will be printed. If I enter 2, the schedule of the Tuesday will be printed, and so on and so forth. If the enter 6 or 7, it will be the rest day. Else, if she enter no 1 to 7, 1 to 1, 8 above or 0, it will display this message. And this is the printing of list average. I use math random to initialize the grades within 60 to 100. So if I use math random in integer. So the catch here is if she not meet the condition, it will go to the invalid input. Then it will break.
Good day. I'm Marc from BSIT-1B. Here I will be continuing on to the third and last part of our Java file source code, which consists of the switch case number 2, in which we are pertaining to the teacher choice of our school management system. Here I type the necessary lines of code needed to get the following user input of the teacher's name and his or her email address. In the email address, we apply the concept of regular expressions in which we have a compiled pattern that consists of the user email that should include exortteacher.edu.ph. I will now apply an if statement that if the matcher matches the pattern, it will start the try-catch structure and prompt the user to enter a number between 1 to 7, equivalent to days to view the teacher's daily subject schedule. We use the values method in the concept of enumerations listed earlier in days. Then we will proceed to copy-paste the else if printing of the corresponding schedule with modifications to the subjects per day. But if the user types a number not 1 to 7, it will print an error invalid input. After this, we will apply the concept of exception handling by typing catch in the exception handle. Finally, as the rejects did not match the pattern, it will print invalid email and the program will close, just applying the break.
Hi, I'm back now. I will show you our output. As you can see here, we have already welcome statement, welcome to Exort Elementary School, and we have menu option here, 1 if you are a student, or enter 2 if you are a teacher. Let's start to the student. Let's choose number 1. Enter your student name if you are enter 1. Kevin, student name Kevin, and this is the student email address, and we have already example here 105.exort edu.ph for the username. Okay, Kevin03 at exort.edu.ph. Enter your student ID number 02000305809. Enter your payment because of the tuition fee. Let's say I will pay 500, and this is my student info, and this is my list of subjects and tuition balance. Originally this is 23,520 because I already paid the 500, that's why 23,020 pesos is only here. And to check your daily schedule and list of average grades, enter a number from 1 to 7. Let's say I will choose number 3, and this is my schedule for Wednesday, and this is my list of average grades. And we're done to the student, and let's proceed to the teacher. Okay, I will enter number 2. Enter your teacher name. Let's assume my name again, Kevin. Teacher name, Kevin. Teacher email address, example. And we have example here. And it's have a difference from the teacher and the student because of this. We have add the teacher text here in the username. Let's say Kevin at exort teacher edu.ph. Okay. To view your grades, subject schedule, please enter numbers 1 to 7. And this is the option again. Let's say I will choose number 5. Let's pick number 5. And this is my schedule. And this is the schedule for the teacher. And let's proceed to the invalid program. I will invalid the program. Let's choose 1 or 2. Let's choose number 3, invalid input. And as you can see here, this is the loop in our program. Let's say number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Okay, let's start again. Let's choose number 1, enter your name, enter your student name, Kevin, and Kevin05. Let's say at gmail.com. Let's see what happened. .com. Okay, invalid. It will show the invalid email and program will close. And let's try to the teacher. Number 2, enter name Kevin. 1, Kevin at gmail.com. It's only same from the student and the teacher. It is invalid email and it show the program will close. And that's all. And here concludes our task performance. And first and foremost, we would like to thank you, Sir J.R. Soliva, for the lessons you have taught us this semester. We have learned a lot because of your excellent teaching, sir. And until we meet again, we hope to have you as our professor in the next school year. Thank you very much. That's all, and thank you.